Look and pick 'em when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive 'em when I kiss 'em. If you want some melody, just let me know.
It's me, Charlotte. I wanted to do a quick tour of the resort that we are staying in. We are staying in a 2-bedroom at Disney's Old Key West. We are in room 3232. It is on the 3rd floor. So, if you're like me and don't like to walk stairs, don't recommend this. I had made a request for the bottom floor and one with an elevator, but I did not get that request. So just be sure that you call Disney to maybe make that request. So when you first walk into the room, you actually will see a closet on your left-hand side. This is the cloak closet. It has the vacuum cleaner. It has a high chair. So if you have younger kids, this is perfect and perfect. And then you can hang up your coats in there or ponchos. When you first walk in, you will see a mirror. So hey everybody. Oh here, hey everybody. And then a little shelf. And as you can tell, we used it for that. So when you first walk in, you'll definitely see the kitchen or the living room there. Off to your right is going to be the master bedroom and bathroom, plus the laundry room. And then if you make it to the left, there's a second bedroom. This is has 2 queen size beds in it. So it's perfect if you have a family of 4 that want to stay in here. By all means, this is perfect. So I'm going to show you this. So we basically have the 2 beds. You have a window on each side, so you have blinds on each side. And you can request, guys, bed rails. So we requested them because of my nephew. This is first time here. Then you have your own little table and chairs. And guys, this is probably one of my favorite pictures here. And then you have a closet in here. I have no idea. This is their room. So, yep, it's just a pretty big closet. As you can tell, you're able to keep quite a bit of stuff in there. You have a TV, you have a dresser, you have drawers, so everything you can unpack if you choose to. I love to. My husband, on the other hand, does not. Yep. Okay, this is your little vanity area where you keep everything. There is also another, as you can tell, there is another closet. And then you come in here, and excuse the mess, guys, because we've been here for about 4 days now. So, but you have another vanity. You have a full shower, and yes, it does have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, toilet. It's a cute little thing, and then a cute little window up there. So this is the first bedroom to the room. Just going to turn that off. Then you walk in, and here is the living room. Now, oops, sorry about that, guys. Now, my 15-year-old is sleeping here. So this kind of looks like a hot mess, but this is actually a chair, but it folds into a twin size bed. So that is great for her. She sleeps on a twin size bed when we are at home. So this works perfect for her. Then we have another pull-out queen couch, I believe it is, to fit 2 more people. So the 2-bedroom at Old Key West will sleep up to 9 people. And we have 7 on this trip. So it has a cute little Mickey lamp that I love. There's a big TV. I have no earthly idea what size it is, but it's big. I don't even know what's in here. Oops. Oops. Oh, okay, I see. I guess there's cords and stuff you can get into. A DVD player down there. This is the cute dining set that we have. So, like I said, it's full of a hot mess. There's an extra bar. We've just been throwing like our medications, bottles, just different stuff that we've been wanting to use. And then out here is the balcony. So I will just open this up. Here is another table that you can use. It is very peaceful and serene here. There is a pond over there. We are in the area for Old Turtle Pond, the Old Turtle Pond Rose. So this is perfect. And there is another entrance into the master bedroom, but you can come out here and enjoy coffee out here if you'd like in the mornings. Just gonna lock it up. I always do that at home. So then you have a full kitchen. So it comes with a freezer that does have an ice maker, which we use daily. And then it has a refrigerator. We brought our Brita, and of course we stopped off on the way and got some beer and stuff. The cabinets are pretty much stocked, which is wonderful. I bring down a lot of extra stuff. So here's your cooking in, your pots and pans. Yeah, you just have a lot of, and guys, it's fully stocked. I'm telling you, fully stocked. I'm pretty sure, yep, there's all your pots and pans. You'll make tea. It comes with silverware, a toaster, a beautiful sink, a nice place that we like to put our things, and then like our snacks down there for the kids. Drawer for knives. Just, it has everything that you could think of in this room. And I believe this is kind of a newly refurbished room. Okay, so here is the master bedroom. Let me see if I can find another light. Okay, so it is a king size bed, which is perfect. There's lots of space. There is a dresser that has 4 USB plugs into it. Again, there is the door that goes out. And guys, for me, I like in the mornings for our room to be dark. So I had this in our owner's locker. They're actually used to keep your chair, your towel attached to your chair. But they work good for that. Another bed nightside table, our owner's locker. And guys, if you guys don't know anything about the owner's locker, they're wonderful. We have one that we got, and this is our second time using it, so it's just great. You have another chair. You have a little bench here with drawers that you can use as well. And then we walk into the bathroom. And so this is a big favorite with my nephew, this tub. He was in it last night and loved it. I love that. Then we have, again, another closet. You have your extra linens in there, extra pillows. You have your play set, your portable play set, plenty of room. There is a safe. There's your hair dryer. You have another place for all of your stuff here. The toilet. Here is the shower, a rainfall shower, and then we have just another shower. You get, again, the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which is my favorite. I will probably be bringing that home with me again. And then in here, we have the laundry room. So guys, you do get a full, I guess there's only one there. You do get a full sized in this. It's probably about the same size as it is at my own house. So this laundry room is perfect. They give you a laundry basket, and then they will give you this laundry detergent. I will probably take that home with me. I brought my own. So it's wonderful. You have an iron, an ironing board, and then behind here you have a broom, a Swiffer light, another Swiffer light. So it's perfect. This is not sponsored by Disney. This is not sponsored by anyone. This is my own personal experience. But I will say, Old Key West is probably by far my favorite resort of staying at a Disney Vacation Club resort. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive